Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fiddlesticks Jungle in Wild Rift. Fiddlesticks is a terrifying magic damage jungler known for his powerful ultimate. Your early game focuses on a healthy clear, starting with red buff and using your drain to sustain. Aim to reach level 5 as fast as possible to unlock your game-changing Crowstorm. Keep an eye on the minimap for easy ganks, especially on lanes that are pushed up. A strong start sets you up for dominance. Understanding Fiddlesticks' abilities is crucial for success. Terrify is your primary crowd control, fearing a single target for a short duration. Drain is your sustain and damage tool, keeping you healthy in the jungle and during fights. Bountiful Harvest silences enemies, disrupting their abilities. Your ultimate, Crowstorm, is your main engage and damage source, allowing you to surprise enemies with a burst of area of effect magic damage. Master these to dominate the battlefield. As the game progresses, Fiddlesticks becomes a formidable team fighter. Your goal is to control objectives like Dragon and Rift Herald, using your ultimate to secure them. Vision control is paramount. Place wards in bushes and around corners to set up devastating Crowstorm ambushes. Look for opportunities to flank enemies or catch them off guard. A well-placed ultimate can turn the tide of any team fight, securing crucial victories for your team. For your build, prioritize items that amplify your magic damage and penetration. Infinity Orb is an excellent early choice, followed by Rabadon's Deathcap for a significant power spike. For runes, Electrocute provides burst damage, while Hunter Titan offers extra health. Consider building a defensive item like Stasis Enchant or Spirit Visage if the enemy team has strong burst or magic damage. This balanced approach ensures you deal massive damage while staying resilient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.